In this video, we're going to show you how to inspect your drum baffle in your dryer. Drum baffles are pretty resilient. They can take a lot of pounding, but every time that drum turns, it's moving a heavy load of clothes. And sometimes you'll have something in there that's really heavy, even as far as a horse blanket or something that's at some point possibly going to get jammed or create enough impact that it may actually crack it. As well, where they mount up into your drum, as tight a fit as it is, things will sometimes get into these drum baffles. Coins, especially small change, dimes, will get into the baffle. So every time the drum rotates, you'll be hearing sounds. And the only way to get those out is to do the removal of the drum baffle and then just shake out whatever's in there. And then it can be reinstalled. If it's cracked or chipped, you'll want to replace it. As soon as that's got a bit of a rough edge from a crack or a chip, it's going to start grabbing clothing. It'll start grabbing thin strands of thread and fibers, and it'll start tearing your clothes apart. So if that's the case, you just want to remove it and change it.